Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're all fine. So previously we studied about the projectile motion, what is projectile motion and why the x and the y axis are independent of each other. So we have to do its cases. So in case 1 we will have to find out the horizontal and vertical distances of the projectile, which is given an initial horizontal velocity vi. But in case 2 we will give no initial horizontal velocity. We will give it an initial velocity, but we will not give a horizontal component, will not be there. Okay, so in case 1 we will have to find the distances x and y. So we will use second equation of motion. S is equals to vit plus half at square. For x-axis it will become x is equals to vixt plus half axt square, because now we're splitting the x and the y components. Here vix is equals to vi, which is the initial horizontal velocity, and ax is equals to 0, because no acceleration is given in the x-axis. We only gave it initial horizontal velocity, and you know that when the velocity is uniform, there is no acceleration, right? So putting the values, x is equals to vit plus half 0t square, and 0 make the t square also 0, so we are only left with x is equals to vit. For y-axis we have given no vertical velocity. We have only give a horizontal component of the velocity, so viy would be equal to 0. And what would be ay? Ay would be equal to plus g, because now the ball is moving under the gravity, under the force of gravity. Okay, normally acceleration due to gravity acts downward, so we take a positive sign with it. So y is equals to viyt plus half ayt square. As viy is equals to 0, so it makes the whole term 0, so y is equals to half gt square. With equation 1 and 2 you can find where the ball will be in x-axis or in the y-axis by knowing its initial velocity in the horizontal direction plus the time. Okay, so that's it.